Hello all, just doing a real quick video on the Rubbermaid 1805730 Jin Sanitizer Safe 16 inch by 19 inch white microfiber cloth with green stripe. So I have it right here on the bowl so you can be able to see just how big it is. It's pretty big, it's 16 by 9, it's pretty big. But for this particular video, what I wanted to do is I wanted to be able to see just how much liquid it can be able to hold. I have 1/4 of a cup of water here. So I just wanted to see how absorbent it is, if it could be able to actually handle it. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on in here and see just how much it can actually absorb. Yeah, look at that. Yeah. So I just poured 1/4 of a cup just so you can see for spills and stuff like that. It's perfect. Yeah, wringing it back on out and scoop it right back up. See how that goes. Yeah, it's cleaned out. So there you go. The cloth, it swept it up pretty good. Thanks for watching.